Let's make a very nutritious and tasty drink with the goodness of fruits and root vegetables. Thoroughly clean and cut to apples, to beets, to carrots, 1 pomegranate, 1-inch piece ginger and half a lemon. Blend 1 cup of pomegranate with 1-inch piece of ginger. Add half cup of water. You can adjust the amount of ginger according to your taste. Strain the mixture. Use the spatula to get all of it. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Adjust the lemon juice according to your taste. Mix all ingredients. Set aside. Now using juicer, get carrots, apples and beet juice. There is no need to add sugar to it. Apples and pomegranate give the sweetness to the juice. Add both the juice mixtures in a pitcher. Mix it to combine and add the ice. Healthy and nutritious juice is ready to serve. Pure, nutritious, and full of flavor. Enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.